This is question number 1.1 part C of class 11th unit and dimension, right? We are going to solve the C part. A vehicle moving with a speed of 18 km per hour covers a distance in meter and the time taken is 1 second. So in 1 second, what is the distance it is covered? So this is the basic thing, you know it. But the main thing we have to focus on the unit conversions, right? So first of all, one thing you have to remember, that always put for operation, always put the values in same unit, and second thing, the unit conversion. Two things you have to remember, right? So the speed thing, you know, it is very simple formula. Speed is equal to distance by time, or distance is equal to speed into time. Very simple. But while doing this thing, you have to always keep in mind but that I am going to put the same units for the calculation, and that will going to give you accurate answer. Otherwise you will going to get incorrect answer, right? So I am using this distance is equal to a speed into time, but the unit must be in kilo. The unit is given in kilometer per hour. I have to convert it into meter per second. For that, to use this in the formula, right? So I have to convert that kilometer in meter and hour into second. Just you have to write 1 kilometer and 1 hour, as I have said, and you have to put the value of 1 kilometer in the unit you want to convert it, 1 hour in the unit you want to convert it. Just put it and then solve it, and segregate the numerical value and unit value, numerical value and unit values differently, and then use it in formula. You will going to get this value. You will going to get this value in meter per second, right? And this value that you got, you have to put here in meter per second, and the time also given in meter per second. Then you will going to find the distance in meter, right? So this is very simple. Okay.